Long before rockets, ancient India looked up and asked why. Without ever leaving the ground, we explained eclipses accurately, discussed the idea of gravity, and predicted elements on celestial bodies. We gave the world zero, hence helping create the binary, which powers all modern digital communication, from Earth to space. From the observatories of Jantar Mantar to the launch pads of Sriharikota, from lunar calendars to lunar landings, we've come a long way. This National Space Day, remember, our future in space is rooted in our past.